I'm Gbadebo's rival and I'm Labour Party candidate for Governor of Lagos State.
Original Dr. Maria. Amasiama. Wonderful Maka. Original Doctor. Yeah, yeah. Original Doctor. Amasiama, sabi wetin they do. Dr. Amasiama, #1 of Umaka. She's a big Rama, she's a big Elisha. She's a
people are watching us. Native doctor. Oyala Maife.
May God have mercy upon you.
Yeah, have mercy on you
May
too.
God have mercy upon you.
Oyala Maife. Native doctor.
Hey. You are shameless. You are shameless he. You are a shameless he.
Best what don't you this? You don't die.
You do not have a wife. You do not have a wife.
Native doctor.
Only please. Come.
He don't die. Make I leave him. Can't tell your breast story. God die. They go to show you. Dog will bite you.
Let's go.
Get that shoe.
Sam.
Baby, did you see that shoe? Dog will bite that woman.
I am angered.
Calm down.
How dare he?
Calm down.
How dare he call dead me? Oh, hey! I am not coming down. I am not coming down. How dare he call dead me a native doctor?
Yeah.
Do I look at like a native doctors? Do I look at like a native doctors? Dr. Maria Amasiyama? A riffraff? I'm not your fraff. Only very that does not have that future. That I'm trying to help it. Called me a native doctors. Do I look at like a native doctors?
No.
I am angered.
But come to think of it, that is what you are. That is what you are. So
Don't provoke me now.
Come on.
No, don't just add it to my injury. Hold them there.
So what? But that is what you are. Calling you that should not make you angry or upset. It's not easy. You are a gifted child. Yes, you are a gifted child. Do you think it's easy for somebody to go inside the forest, use it and cure and heal different kind of diseases? It's not easy. So you are a gifted child. Shouldn't get you angry.
I am gifted by God.
I know.
Not by Satan. Native doctors are gifted by Satan, not God.
Yeah.
Yes. That is why you saw them. They go rub here. They go rub here. You know. Have you ever seen me doing that incantation on top of stone?
No.
Have you ever seen me doing that incantation on top of stone? Or Robert a red hanky here, or white hanky here, or Nzwanya here? Have you saw me? No. Have you saw me dragging kai pour it or no she before? So no. No. It's not a laughing matter. Did you see me laughing?
Oh, you're making me laugh now.
I am not laughing. It is not a laughing matter. They had their own, I had my own. I worked for God, not for Satan.
Fire, you will not kill me. You will not kill me.
She called me a quacker.
See, things of healing and curing, you are very good in that. And all I want to back, you are very good. But things of the world, and where they hear me. So calm down.
How dare she called me a quacker? No, how dare she called me a quacker? Dr. Maria Nafuni Afunanzuzo. I see it in the black and in the white, and she called me a quacker. No, I am anger.
Oh?
I am anger.
Don't be. Oh?
I am anger. Satan, they worked for Satan. Maria, I worked for God, the heaven and earth, the creator of heaven and earth.
You will not kill me.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, calm down. Oh?
Amen.
Ana megide onye si n'ọgaga dịrị mmanụ. Enu megide ahụ. Enu na megide onye si n'ọgaga dịrị mụ na mma. Enu megide o. It shall never be well with someone that said that I will not have peace in this house. Peace will go far from that person. The person will not know peace. It shall never be well with the evildoers. May the heaven, the earth, the land they step upon, judge them. It shall never be well with the evildoers. It shall never be well with them. Oneke, Orie, Afo, Unkwo. Those are my prayers to you, blessing. It shall never be well.
Back to sender. Back to sender. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Eh? What is wrong with you, this woman? Stop hating this old witch. Stop hating. The more you hate blessing, the more you will learn it from your buttocks. The more you almost, the more you seek it. We're not here when she was laying those curses on me. What did you do? You keep quiet. Warn your mother to stay away from me. If not, if I go mountain for her sake. She will not see tomorrow's daylight. Leave me alone. Be careful with me, this woman.
I can handle it, It's okay.
See yourself. Stupid people.
See yourself.
Mama, I don't like all this, eh? Why were you laying all those curses on her? Eh?
You think that you are alive? Negwanka. Man! Foolish boy. Hey! Blessing will not kill me in this house.
Who is coded me like this? Hello? Izumu. Love. Odogu Maria. Amasiama what? Daddy. Love. How are you do there? I'm fine. I missed you so much. How is everything over there?
I'm not fine about it.
You are not fine, what?
Yes.
What happened next?
My business is about to grow. As I'm talking to you now, my container is on its way to Nigeria. And I need some money to pay it.
Izu? Money what? Okay, how much are you talking about?
Just 5 million naira.
5 million. It's where am I getting the money? Eh? 5 million. Hello? No, I am here. Is you? Did you smoke 5 million? Where am I going to get the 5 million to give it to you? I coded you back. I'll coded you back. Five.
Oyoyo, I don't understand. Why is your face like this? Can it fall?
Baby, buy me hair. Buy hair for me. This one is getting old. I don't want all those city girls to come back to this village and start intimidating me with those their city hair. So they will not think because I married the village husband that you cannot afford expensive hair for me. No, you have to buy me hair.
It's not okay. I will buy it for you. How much is it? Is it not 2,000?
Buy me that one they called what is the name? Peruvian hair.
Okay.
Peruvian. How much?
Oh, okay, Mama.
Mona shift masking.
You're beautiful. Come for me, let me see. Shake biako, yeah. You're pretty. I love you. Please, go inside. Drop your bag.
Okay, Mama.
Feel at home. You know, go. Feel relaxed.
Thank you.
This
Mama.
is our house.
Thank you.
And drop your bag.
Mama,
Who is she?
who is she?
Stay there. Cross your legs. Keep crossing. Madam Cross. Madam, what will I call you? Nonsense set of people. Fear forever. Hey! Okay, ma! My beautiful lady.
What are you looking at? Oh, Anno.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't touch me. Who is she? Who is that girl?
Do I know? I don't know her now. Eh? I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. You know I promised to buy you the it's known what? Peruvian, okay? I will buy it for you, okay? Huh?
Talk. Talk. This one not gonna do like this. Ejima, get it.
They call me Ejima. They call me on it.
Now what are they confused at this point now? Talk.
Dr. Maria!
Talk! Yeah!
What I shouted? What I shouted? What I shouted?
You mean a trap?
Like, get it back to your duty post.
I know like duty post already.
Get it back to your duty post.
With the work.
Stop spoken nonsense.
Yeah? Nah, I tell you. When they ready, this one need the count up and down, they can't the check. Maybe person no counselor. See any roll, also.
So, like I was telling you, I told him hence that money belongs to me. He should not deduct their payment from my money. He said, no, madam, it's your money. You're not allowed to touch it. I said, I gave you go ahead order. The guy called the phone.
Should not call the phone.
He calls the phone. Say, can you imagine? The money belongs to me. Deduct it from there. He said, no, you have to pay him the 30K. These people have to heal him.
Keep saying what you were talking before.
Ask her who that girl is.
Mama, who is she?
I'll just help you. Is she still betting? Oh, such a better, I don't want you are already beautiful. No need to waste your time in the bathroom. Okay, Chuku. Hey, you are already beautiful. Hey, okay, my baby. Yeah. Oh, yes. Pretty dancer. Hey,
Mama.
my beautiful. Come on.
I see shake.
Temptation. Now I know you understood it very well. The reason you are here. I know you knew why you're here. You are a G. You are a man. Hey! See, that is why I told you that you have to feel at home. Relax. Yes, Mama. Don't panic. Cha. You know, go. If you're hungry, anything you want to eat is in the kitchen.
Okay, Mama.
So, it's a house.
Mama, do you have a goosey soup?
Do you like egusi soup?
Very well. That's
I
what
knew.
I eat.
Prepare the egusi soup.
Mama, with Eba.
Hey! Very well. They're in the kitchen.
Okay, Mama.
Hey!
Let me go and eat.
Come.
Come, the kitchen this way.
No, it's this way.
Oh, this way. Mama, let me go and eat.
Come on, baby. Yes, Mama. Very well.
Mama, let me go and eat.
Hey, listen very carefully. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Eh? Because if it's what I'm thinking, this house will be too hot for both of us. It will be very hot. I mean, the fire is going to consume you. Watch me, because this house, it will be very hot for both of us to stay. I mean, the flame will consume you. It will consume all of us.
It's not what you're thinking, eh? Hey, Mama, who is she?
You like what you say? You like it?
I like her bobo.
Oh, chef, oh, chef, I forget. I get back to you.
Darita.
Eh?
Darita.
Hey! Hey!
I want to ask you for something.
Go on, I'm listening. Talk now.
I need a loan.
A loan?
Loan.
Loan. You need a loan. Loan what? What do you want to do with it?
Something important.
Something like what?
You don't know that deed. I don't want to tell you what it is. Yes.
Okay. Like how much are we talking about? How much are we talking about?
$5 million.
Hey! 5 million. No, Maria. I want to know if in the 419 are you okay? Are you with your senses? Are you sure you have not fallen into the house of the 419? Ebo Maria.
Oh, you see the 5 million. You're slap.
I want to. Leave me alone. Are you okay now? You better go back to normal. Because that was how they slapped Amaka and she came back to her senses when they took 5 million naira from her. So come back to your senses. 5 million naira. How are we going to pay?
I'll pay it back.
Where will you get it from?
I'll get it back.
What do you want to do with it?
It's not a business.
What do you want to do with it?
Leave me alone. I told you that I needed 5 million.
Hey! 5 million! Hey! Chimo.
Hey! Get silly! Come. Get silly! Bia, Abuda, come. Akuna. What are you doing with my husband's clothes on your body? Wait. Oh, Eborugo. It has got to the sign that you have the guts, the impetus to touch my husband's clothes. Talk about wearing it.
Wait.
Anoya.
Wait. You don't know how to greet somebody.
Chibo. Get silly!
Hey, please, listen.
Get silly!
Listen, wait. Whatsoever they call you, if you want to talk to me, calm down, lower your voice, and accord me some respect. Until then, stand here and keep blabbing.
Okay, are you mad? What gave you the right to put on my clothes? Enough, Wala!
Come out, so they want to beat your princess.
Look, come on. Are you mad? I'm talking to you. You want to
Hey, Mama! Thank you. Are you mad? Huh? Are you asking who she is? She is your wife. Thank you, Mama. Legally married to you. My dear Ogechukwu, you have the right not only to touch his clothes. If you want to wear it, wear it. Thank you, Mama. You have every right.
Mama, if you're in a you see this rain you are making? Eh? This rain you are making, the day it will rain, it will drain you. In fact, it's going to drown you.
Make sure that hand, that finger.
Mama, it's okay. The rain and the sun is not going to dry us. We are very, very fresh. I beg, Mama, let me continue.
Wait. And as for you, Ogi, I can see that you don't have respect for me. You don't have respect for me. Okwagi, I've got in Awam na yada. In Awam. Mama, you know you are the cause of all this problem. Okwima, you know, right?
Do you have respect for this?
Mama, it's okay. Go inside and meet your wife. Go and sleep. That's all what you know how to do with your wife.
Don't call her his wife. She's not his wife.
Mama, I beg, let me clean my mother-in-law's compound.
You are his wife. Look at this girl that sweeps this compound 2 times, 3 times in a day, and you are there talking nonsense.
Mama, it's okay. Don't talk too much. Yeah? Let me.
But the sun is too much now.
Mama, it's okay now. I like the sun. I like sun because it brightens my complexion.
Yeah. If you like wear his pants, you have every right.
Mama, I'll wear his pants.
Everything.
We are wearing the same size.
Everything. What?
So this is it, eh?
So
this is it. So you knew about this all this while and you just want to ridicule me. You are aware of this marriage, eh? You would have just asked me to go. Just ask me to go than to ridicule me like this.
Baby, I swear with my life. May thunder strike me to death if I know anything about this marriage. Because I don't know anything about it. It was the plan of my mother. Eh?
Plan of your mother?
Yes, now.
You lied. You lied. How can your mother go and get married for you without your consent? No, it's her plan, right? You're not aware of it. How did she know your spec?
Baby,
how did she know your spec?
Baby, I don't know anything about it. When they put outside when they came in now, eh? Were you not there?
Don't worry, I now get it. I get the whole message now. You people want me to leave. I will go. I will pack my things and go so that you and your mother will be very happy. I will go.
Honey, please now. Don't
you ever touch me. Don't touch me. Don't you ever touch me. Eh? Look at the way she was putting on your clothes. Did you see that? Just imagine how you will feel if you see another man wear my clothes. Eh? You saw it. You couldn't even remove the clothes from her. What did you do? You saw it. Don't come close to me. Just allow me to go, okay?
No, I'm sorry.
Allow me to go.
Only
so all of you will have peace.
Only please.
Leave me alone.
Listen, I love you. If you leave me, I will die. I can't do without you. Please.
Just leave me. I want to go.
No. You don't have to say this, please. You don't have to say this. You know I love you very much, please. I'm sorry.
I don't want this.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just allow me to go so you and your mother will be happy.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mama, why do you want to break my home? Why do you want to cause problem in my family? How does it go, Mama? I never asked you for another wife. I never did. Okay, you want to cause problem between me and my wife. Where?
She brought this problem upon herself. How could she useless herself during her youth and want me, Obidia, to bear the consequences? It is not possible now. Eh? It is not possible. I cannot.
But Mama.
I need children. We need children. Or do you want your father's lineage to close after you?
But Mama. I told you that everything will be fine soon. I told you now. Eh?
Hi. Everything is already fine. Eh? Very soon Ogechukwu will conceive and give me a child. Even children. Eh?
Mama,
that one is certain.
Mama, please. I'm not interested. If you know where you brought her from, you better send her back. I'm happily married to her. Is it by force? I told her,
oh, you don't even know what is going on. Hey. My son Kingsley, you are legally married. Ezioku. Togechuku now. So if that one does not work, I have them 5. He said, no. He said they are lined up.
Oh, now I get it. Now I get it. This is your plan, right? You have planned for my husband to be sleeping from one woman to the other. Abi? Now I get it. I will go in there, I'll pack my things and leave this house. Nobody should beg me. I will just go in there, pack my things and leave. No, baby,
please, don't do that.
You should be thankful. You should give me credit for what I just did for you. What are you saying?
Oh, no, I don't like it. Honey,
he is leaving my house.
Baby.
Baby, I have 5 girls. All of them are coming. Oh my God, but they will fill this place. You are not going to stop it. More as far as I'm alive, I'm on another job.
Hello? It's my love. Hi. Why are you sounded like this now? No. I don't want your business to crumble. Just give me time to look at for the money for you. Please, I am telling you. No, it go work out. I've told you that I will look out for the money for you. Please, don't cry. If you cry now, me self, I will cry. Please, Izumu, please. Okay, give it me time. Yeah. Give it me time. I go do it. I go protect the money for you. Just give it me time. I'm thinking. I'm looking for a place to get the money. Please, just give it me time. It go better. Because please don't cry. If you cry, I cry. Izumu, you know if you cry, I cry. Oh, if you cry, I cry. Oh. Okay. Don't worry. I go find the money for you. I go look at for the money. 5 million. I go look at for 5 million. I go look at for 5 million. I go find the money.
Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful Maka, original doctor. Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful Maka, original doctor.
The original Dr. Maria in town. Our own Dr. Maria, the savior of lives in our community. Hey, Maria, what is it now? I just brought my newest daughter-in-law for you to see. That's why I'm here.
Please. I told them it. I've talked before that I don't want to have anything to do with your family members. I don't want a problem. I told them myself before that I have washed away my hands. Take your newest wife and went away. I don't want problem. Please. Nobody.
Dr. Maria.
Walk away. I do not want problem.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Please now, Dr. Maria. Eh? Please forgive now. That one is in the past. Yeah?
Your family members, they came out here and insulted me. They told me that I'm a quack. They called me a quack. Eh?
You are doing
they looked at me and called me a quack. That I'm a quack doctor. No. Mua. Amasiyama. Quack.
Number one doctor.
Quack.
I trust you. You know I trust you. You are doing it for me, please. It's not for them. Oh? For the sake of God, please. I just came for you to check her for me.
It's alright. Man sinneth, woman forgiveth.
Amasiama.
Man sinneth, woman forgiveth. Or cast me when
why are you scared? Don't be scared.
I'm doing my work. I came out here to do my work. And the work the God have sanded me to do, that is what I'm doing here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
You sabi your work.
I'll do it for you.
Please, just check her for me. Whether she is sound and okay.
Okay, you wanted me to check in her body.
If she is productive.
Productive.
If she can conceive.
Ejime.
Yeah.
Take her inside. Let me come and
let me know if she
elaborate her.
Productive. Check her for me.
Give it her the Ibede.
Pretty good. It is for good.
Thank
you. Amasiama wana aderewa. Ama. Woo!
Original Dr. Maria. Amasiama. Wonderful Maka. Original Doctor. Original Doctor.
I pray.
Original Doctor. Amasiama, sabi wetin they do. Dr. Amasiama, number one of woman.
Take it easy. Calm down. She knows what she's doing.
She's a big delicious.
It's not. Calm down. You're a woman.
She know they look with your face, so she know one know will be. She know they look with your face, so cause she know one know. I what you they do.
Dr. Maria.
She go tell you anything when you see for your body. If you can.
My wonderful Dr. Maria. Like no other.
Ejime.
Yeah.
Ejime. She is not authentica. Her body will carry the
Chim.
But is missing with bad news and good news.
Bad and good.
She have done it abortion before. But the good news there is
she go born picking.
She go born picking.
The most important.
The womb there. Abamwea is intact.
Hey, I'm happy, so happy. This is just the good news. At least she can conceive. Nobody holy pass, unlike that barren woman. I'm happy, so happy. Nobody holy pass. I'm happy for you at least. Yes,
Qualified doctor.
Do it to your counters.
Kill. Qualified doctor. Hey, Dr. Maria.
She know they look good, Jeff, so cause she know one know. I wait till they do. She go tell you anything what you see for your body. If you carry yama, she go tell you. Oh, she go tell you something. She go tell you something. Original doctor. Oh wait, Dr. Maria.
My prince, my prince. My prince, you're welcome. Agreed.
Thank you. Where is Dr. Maria?
Your face is not bright. Is there any problem?
Please call her first for me, okay? All right.
Dr. Maria,
My prince, hey, you
Doctor,
highly.
how are you?
No, I fine.
I decided to come and see you because I don't like the way you sounded on phone. I don't like the way you're sounding. Hope everything is fine.
Everything is fine, but not fine.
So,
Fine, but not fine.
what is the problem?
Huh?
Yes, what is the matter?
Sir?
How do I help you?
Okay, let me speak it.
I'm all ears.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I say excuse me.
All right. Let me hear you out.
As you spoke.
I'm all ears. Doctor, I am listening to you. Talk
Please.
to me.
Don't be.
Okay.
I need them loan. Loaned me money.
Oh, you need a loan.
Loan.
I see.
I go pay the due back. In due time, I go pay the due back.
All right, I've heard you. How much are we talking about?
Loan of 5 million naira.
If I may ask, what do you need that kind of money for? The money is huge.
No, I don't want to throw that due out. I want to keep them for my secrets. You know the wall and have it here. If I spoke out now, someone go hear them.
If you really want me to help you, you need to tell me what you need the money for. Yes, so I can know how to come in. Okay?
Are you sure you can keep them a secret?
Yes, I promise you that.
Swear that you can keep them a secret.
I swear.
Okay.
All right.
You see, there is one sicknesses that is in the world everywhere. It's flying everywhere. Mana Chinese, na Indian, everywhere. No cure. No cure, and it's killing person here and there. It's killing person everywhere. Everywhere you go in the world, you see person dead body. So now God has showed me the medicine, the vaccinated in the world. Nobody know that the cure. Only me, Dr. Maria. Siyama one. I see it in the black and in the white. Everybody in the world know that I know the cure. So now, the medicine for the cure is expensive. So I want to bring it from the plant, and secure of myself, and it's expensive, 5 million naira. So that is why I am told you to give it me a loan, and I will pay the due back.
All right, I have heard you. This project is huge. I want to know which people or company are you in partnership with, or are you doing it alone?
No, I don't partner with anybody. I don't partner with anybody. See, I can't partner with anybody. This thing is my visionist, and God have showed me for a dream, and I have searched it and I have saw it, and I know if I partner with somebody, they go to come for me. So I keep it for myself alone. Just what I needed right now is the loan. Give me the loan, then I'll pay the due back in due time.
All right, I've heard you. But I can only give you that money on one condition. If you say yes to my proposal.
I told you to give me loan now. You're brought marriage into the issues. Eh? I told you to give me a loan. No, okay, now what is the relationship with the loan and marriage now?
All right, I've heard you.
No. If you don't want to give me, then told me.
Right, I don't mean to provoke you. Okay, I will do something about it. Okay, I will see what I can do.
You go give me?
I will see what I can do.
No, told me. I don't like the answer that you're giving me. That you see what you can do. Are you? If you give me now, are you giving me?
All right, I've heard you. I will give you.
Yes, no, yes or no?
Yes, I will give you.
You see, no, you're my friend though. No, you've been my friend. I know. I'm Dr. Maria. I'm a Siyama one. You are the prince of the kingdom. You see, we have the same vision. Just that small disagreement is between me and Goa. Let me go. Hey, wait. When are you brought in the money? Today or tomorrow?
Let's say in 2 days' time.
2 days? It's not long yet. 2 days is okay by me.
All right, I guess I have to be on my way.
Don't worry, go.
Are you going?
I'll stay here.
Sit down. Let me just.
All right.
You know, in my olden days time life, I be great musician. I great past Michael Jackson. I me even teach him how to break dance.
You mean it?
And that time, if you pay me, I will break dance. It was if you want.
All right, ma. All right.
It was if you want me to break dance for you now, you pay me, I will break dance.
You're a very big comedian. I love that.
It was if you give me money now, I'll break dance for you.
You want to break for me?
If you give me money.
Oh my God, I just got a message now. I have to attend to something right now. Okay? I'll be back later, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
I'll see you later.
Are you serious?
Yes. I've gotten a man that told me that he will give me the loan, 5 million.
I hope you got a man who trying to snatch you the loan from me.
Hey, Izumi Ibiakwa. You know something, eh? You are too jealous. You are too jealous. Your jealousy is there for your heart. Eh? You know I love it too. And you are the only man that I love it. This man told me that he will give it me 5 million naira.
If that is his station, let us give him that money back. But you say that he's not. Fine. Send my greetings to him. I will make him the chairman of our wedding.
Okay, now you planned our wedding already. Zoom, I love you. I love you with all my heart. Let me tell you something. I will start now telling all my friends, my workers, that I'll marry importer and exporter. Now I'll marry importer and exporter.
That means I get doings now. Dad, please let him do fast with the money. I hope you still get my account number.
Yes, now I have it your account number. If you brought the money, I will send everything to you. You hear? 5 million or 5 million.
Yes.
I will give it to the money. You hear? Okay. Wait. So if I did not told you to kiss me, you will not kiss me.
I'm sorry for that.
Kiss me. Again. Again. Okay. I'll call them you back here. I'll call them you back. Let me go and walk. Yeah? What are you sat down at my office chair. Come on, Suze away. Come on, Suze away. I said Suze away. Nonsense. Idiot like you. Nonsense. Auntie Mo.
Hey!
Auntie Mo. My only auntie in the wide dead world. The only auntie in the wide dead world. Have you eaten? You ate food. There's food. I'm not in it.
Kinati, are you okay?
I'm very much fine, okay.
I hope you are not trying to collect money from the prince and give to that efulefu a kalogoli of your boyfriend.
Hey!
Hey!
Ikmakiti!
Newanda.
And who told you that I am collected money from the prince and give it to my zoo? Who told you that? Please, I hate wrong accusation. I hate wrong accusation. I hate it. Please. Hey. Respect is a reciprocal. Respect is a reciprocal.
If what I just said is true, you got destroy, spoil your plans. Agama wunyaja na your gari.
You see am? When I told you that you are enemies of progress, you said that I a liar. That I'm a liar. Yes.
Hey!
You see, okay, now if you will get gari now, if you will get sand in my gari now, what is your gain?
Yes, sir.
If you poured sand in my gari now, told me now, what is now your gain? Gain?
So it's true. Maria, nyane ezioku.
So what I just said is true.
You refuse to marry the prince, but you want to collect ego. You lie.
I did not. Okay, told me now what is now the business between a loan and marriage. I told him to be me ego.
To be ego.
The loan, I told him to give me a loan of 5 million. Yes, 5 million naira or habuka. I will pay him back.
You?
Yes, I will pay him back.
You? Pay back. You, Maria, pay back 5 million naira.
Izum is coming back.
Where and how will you get it?
Izum is coming back.
Hey!
Container is not the ship.
Wait!
When he came then back, he will give it to him with interest.
Asia.
Hey! He came then back.
I said it. Oh, Maria is under a spell. Oh, so instead of Izuna to give you money, you are now sending money to him from village to Obodo.
So now you're shouting now. People will told that we think it that something bad is happening here.
Everything bad has happened.
Eh.
Too much bad has happened though.
Auntie, come and left. You have overstayed your welcome.
Maria is under a spell.
Come and left.
Hey! She's under
Come and left. You have overstayed your welcome.
She's under a spell. Maria is under a spell. The Dibia put her in a bottle and the bottle have no space. Alume. Jeez. Are you mad? I'm going to make this. Chokamokwa guy now. Eh? Chokamokwa guy now. Stupid. Nonsense. Frocod. Chokamokwa left and right now. Frocod.
Where is she? Bring the food now.
Yeah.
My husband. Husband, your food is ready. Wait, don't worry.
No sugar to the food. Good boy.
Enjoy.
That's what it's you.
Well,
The food looks nice.
trust me now.
Eat your food.
My husband, eat this one. I am preparing you delicious egusi soup. It's on the fire. After this one, I'll come bring it.
Hey. Isn't even me. Eat.
Mama, you are eating my food.
If I dig a man.
Like it? I want to say like it.
So delicious.
Eat it as it's hot. It's very sweet.
Thank you so much.
What is happening here? Kingsley! Kingsley, must you disgrace me? Must you disgrace me all the time? What is this? Why are you eating this? What if these people put something inside this food? What is wrong with you always? Must you disgrace me? Eh? Must you always behave like a fool, Kingsley? Eh? And you, the next time you will try this, you will regret ever agreeing to come inside this compound. Disgrace. Rubbish. Oh yeah, Solomon is so. Follow me. Gambia. Go inside.
Follow her, my husband, follow her. Mama, who cares? He has tasted my food.
He's your husband.
He now knows that I can cook.
Hey, very well.
Anyway, delicious wife is here. Mama.
Hey.
Look at Look at your wife.
Hey. Oh, Bagokwe. I come. Chicum. Ejimawia. If I open, Kingsley can never. Hey! Blessing, you will leave this house. Ejimawia, no. Ejimawia.
Later you start swearing heaven and earth that you're not aware of the marriage. But look at you. But you are busy relaxing, enjoying her food. Why will you even taste her food in the first place? Why?
Baby, I'm sorry. I did not mean to make you feel bad. Just that I was very hungry. And besides, Mama was involved in it. That was the reason why I was not scared to eat it.
No, Mama was involved in it. Money. Ibo Anno. So because your mother was involved, you think that she cannot poison you? You think that she cannot poison you? You are aware that I was in the kitchen cooking. But you are the one that helped me to pick the vegetable. You could not even wait for the food to get ready. She served you. You collected the food. You accepted it. You are giving her green light. And you are showing her that she's welcomed and comfortable around you. Why don't you pour the food on her face to show that you are not happy, that you are very angry with her?
My love, I did not reason it like that, so. Okay. I'm sorry. Forgive me, please.
Don't even dare. Don't touch me. And let me warn you. Today will be the first and the last time you eat that girl's food. Do you hear me? Stay away from that girl. Stay 1 million miles away from that girl. Do you hear me? If not, you wouldn't want to see the other side of me. You will not want to see the other side of blessing. Rubbish.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please now. Please. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Just leave me alone. Let me go and check what I put on the fire.
No, leave the food. I'm sorry. Sorry.
That's the only thing you know how to do.
I'm sorry. I know.
Mama! Mama, I'll come outside so I can't take this anymore. I cannot take this anymore. I'll kill somebody in this house. I'll kill somebody in this house. I can't take this anymore. Mama! Mama!
What is it? What is the problem?
Mama, I can't take this from Blessing, no. Can you imagine my pot of soup with obstacle, big meat and fish inside? I just prepared. Blessing carry water and just pour everything inside. I'm not going to take this one, Mama. I'm going.
You are going to where?
I'm going.
You are going to where?
I'm going back.
She is just being jealous. You are going nowhere, My daughter, stop crying. Cheer up. She is not happy that you are here to take her position. Smile for me now.
Mama, I'm going. I'm going. I can't take this for
I don't want to
Blessing.
hear you say you are going. You are going nowhere. Oh yeah, smile for me. Smile for Mama. No.
Mama,
it's okay. You see my son. I want you to keep going close to him. Keep going close to him. He has eaten your food. Very soon, he will eat this one.
Mama, I cannot wait. I cannot wait.
And what happens? You will give me children.
Yes, Mama.
I will be a grandmother.
And I will be a young mother. Mama.
Don't ever tell me that you are going again. I don't want to hear that.
Mama, as long as you're strongly behind me, we are going to deal with this Blessing. Blessing, come outside! Come outside! Satin Bombo! Satin Bombo!
Don't even bother about that one. She is an expired product.
Expired.
I am solidly behind you.
Mama, she has expired since 1880-60. She has expired She's trying me in this house. Blessing, come outside you spoil my soup. Come outside, Satin Bombo.
By the time you will just do this thing for my son. Do it.
I'll shake it. I'll take.
He must bow. You know how to do it now. I trust you.
Mama.
You have it all. Adazen. Hey!
Dr. Maria.
Amasiyama.
Yes.
One of Omaka.
I understand. I understand that you told me that you need 5 million naira loan. But here is 1 million naira. Just a token. This is just dash.
Okay, dash.
Yes.
No. I told you that I needed 5 million. This one is 1 million. It will not reach anything. Then I'll send it to Ndiocha so that they will send me the medicine that I will use it to cure Ndonanwan.
I understand what you're saying. I will still give you the 5 million naira loan. This one is just a token.
Cherry, make it me to understand so much. Do you mean it that this one now is just give out?
Yes, I am dashing you this 1 million naira.
Okay.
It's not part of the 5 million you asked for.
As in this one, I should keep it this one?
Yes.
Then later,
I will give you the 5 million naira loan. That one is loan.
Are you sure you're not trying to pay me, were you?
No.
Are you sure you are not trying to told me that to marry I should marry you?
No. This is not about the marriage.
It's loan.
I love what you're doing. For the fact you want to invent something that is going to help this country, I'll be a wicked person if I don't support you. Okay? All I owe you now is to support you. Okay? I love your hustling spirit.
Okay. To dead me now, when are you brought in the 5 million?
As soon as possible. Very soon.
My prince, thank you.
No,
God
you don't need to
you.
kneel down for me. I'm not God. You don't need to. No, stand up. You don't need to kneel down for me. I am not God. Okay? I'm only doing what I'm supposed to do.
Okay, thank you. Let me take it inside, then so that somebody will not come and steal it.
Beautiful, beautiful. I
Thank
love
you,
that.
my prince.
Beautiful.
In my next test word, you'll be the king of our kindred.
I love that.
My prince, why did you give her that money? Why did you give her that money? Why did you give her that money? Is it that you are so rich, don't know what to do with money? That is why you are wasting it. Why did you give her the money now?
The last time I checked, the girl we are talking about is my wife to be. So I'm not wasting the money.
Is that what you think? My prince, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I am not getting you. The money I gave to her, I'm only trying to help her support her project. He's trying to bring something that is going to help this country, this community at large. So I will be a wicked person if I don't assist or help her.
Country?
Yes.
The country she meant is Izuna. You know Izuna now?
Wait. You mean that idiot?
Bam. Bam.
Wait. Make me understand now. You mean the 1 million I just dashed her now, and the loan of 5 million she's asking from me is the money she wants to give to that idiot, that hooligan?
My prince, I am 100% sure. Are you doubting me? Or you think she went inside? Pia. She didn't go inside though. Oh, let me show you.
Izum, I have gotten the money. Yes, I have gotten 1 million naira.
Just 1 million naira?
Yes, Izum, it's just 1 million naira. But I promised you that very soon it will be completed.
Act fast. I am losing it before I lose everything. Act fast. Don't be lazy. Or don't you want me to make it big?
Hey, Izum, what are you told me now? Me, I wanted you to make it big. I promised the person that gave it me that money said that he will give it me 5 million naira. That the one he gave it me is a token. Is a token. So maybe by tomorrow I will told him and I will force it out for the pocket. I promise you he will give it to me. Hey, don't worry, everything will be okay. You hear? You hear? I believe that God will make it a way where it was a way for you in Jesus' name.
Not by praying, but it's by action. So by tomorrow, I will say that you stole by me and I will come and marry you.
Hey, Izumi, you know now. Don't worry, I will make it everything to be fast. Oh, just give it me some time. Your container will not sink. And I believe that you will marry me. People are told me that you will not marry me, that you disappointed me. I told them, no, Izumi was stood by me. I know you love it me, and I love it with my full heart. You hear? I love you. Let me went away now. You hear? I'll call you back. Tomorrow morning, I will go to the bank and I'll put the money in your bank account. You know I have it your account balance, your account number. Then I'll put the money. You hear? I love you. Please.
Bye-bye. Let me go now. Just bye-bye. Don't speak anything. Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't speak anything again. Told you. Eh? I told you. I told you.
Don't ask me to calm down. I said don't ask me to calm down. After all my sacrifice, my effort, after all I did for her, I sacrificed everything for her. What is her problem?
Odogu, calm down.
You mean the money I just gave her now is for that idiot? My hard-earned money. Do you know my plans for her? I am planning to take her to US, to Europe. Yes, to US, to change her life. I'm even planning to demolish this house and build a mansion for her. This is how she wants to pay me back after all I did for her?
Odogu, calm down. Huh? My prince, calm down. Calm down.
I don't know how to take this. This is too much for me. No, this is too much. This can't be. No, this is too much. This is too much for me.
My prince, calm down. Huh? Maria is a good girl. Oh. Maria is a good girl.
It's obvious that girl hates me. That girl is addicted to poverty. That girl is addicted to suffering. After all I did to her, what is... I can't get this. I can't get this.
Odogu,
5 million
Odogu,
for this boy. For this somebody that the future is not guaranteed. His future is still dicey. Nobody knows if he's going to survive or not.
Odogu, calm down. Maria is a good girl.
Maria can't be a good girl.
She's under a spell. She's under a spell. That boy now expel her from somewhere. That boy is controlling her from somewhere.
How do I take this? I promise to do everything for her. I promise to demolish this house, build a mansion for her. After everything, I don't know, she hates me too much. She hates me with passion. What is happening?
Calm down. Huh? My prince of my land, calm down. Maria Bezbo Mado. It's just Izuna. That one is a riffraff. Doing nothing in Obodo Ibo. Eh? It's okay. Oh, my prince is okay. Calm down. Oh, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Be calming down. Be calming down. Be calming down.
My prince, you courted me. My prince, you are not spoken anything. Is there anything wrong? Do I committed anything? Told me now. I don't like him. I don't like him the way you are looking at me now. Anything wrong? No, told me. I hope you are not wanting to change your mind for my 5 million. You see, I told you to give me a loan, not dash. My prince, wait for me. My prince. My prince, why are you looking at me like that? Do I commission anything? My prince. My prince. Hey! Hey! My prince. Hey! Ejime! Boketi! Who dey ream?
Nene, please. Promise me you will not let my wife know about this. Please.
You're making me jealous. Yes. I'm not going to tell your wife about this. But that's if only you're going to tell me you love me and that I'm the most beautiful girl in the world.
Yes. Yes. You're the most beautiful and adorable in the whole universe.
You haven't said you love me.
Yeah, I love you. You know that already.
Okay. So, you wanna come?
Like, you mean I can come inside, like, browse?
Yes. We're gonna boogie down, boogie down. Come and browse me, baby.
I should browse you?
Of course.
Wow. Wow.
Thank Jake.
Wow.
Why are you breathing so fast?
Oh, such a beautiful body.
Oh, thank you.
Where have they gone to? Mama? Kingsley? 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 Kingsley?
Leave me alone. Where am I going to? I cannot go in there. Stop it now. I've not finished enjoying. What's your problem?
I want to enjoy it.
Stop it now. Let's do small before.
What? Don't you want to enjoy again? Please, see, please. I'll buy you anything. Please, just go to Mama's room. My wife is out here. She will kill me. Please.
Okay, fine.
Okay, thank you.
Let me kiss you this one.
Sugar, I'm finished. I'm finished.
Kingsley? Kingsley?
Baby, you're welcome.
Why are you sweating like a he-goat that just came down from a she-goat? I've been knocking for like hours now. What are you doing inside?
Baby, nothing. I was sleeping inside when Nepa took the light. You were even the one who woke me up. Huh?
Kingsley? Kingsley? Kingsley! How many times did I call you?
3 times, my love.
Start saying the truth now. What were you doing inside there?
Baby, nothing. It pains me each time you doubt my sincerity. Honestly speaking, I was doing nothing. Okola, I was just sleeping. Huh?
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me?
I don't trust you. Get out of my sight.
Hello, Izum.
What is on your sister? Where is the money? What is keeping you?
Izum, you have to give me some time. You know the money you told me to go and get it for you is a huge amount of money. Please give me time to look at for it. Oh, Pico.
So you don't have 105 million. What kind of questions are you creating in your village? Or are you doing charity work? Not them pay you.
Izum, it's not that I did this charity work, but you noted that 5 million naira is a big amount of money. It's a big one amount of money. You know how I sent you to Obodo Ibo? I took it everything I had there, including my mama money. I took it everything and I gave it to you. You use some travel abroad. Okay, now where am I going to get the 5 million? Please look at what I am begging you. I'm begging you now. Look at what I'm begging you now. Give it me time. Just give it me time. 5 million. I go look for them. I go look at where I will get it a loan or anything. But here I don't have 5 million. Because Zoom. Please don't be angry. Don't be angry with me. Oh, if you're angry, I will be angry. Just don't be angry with me. Oh. But Zoom, don't be angry, please. You know I don't want you to be angry. Please, Izumu. Oh? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Baby.
Yo.
I know it's been long you take out.
Yeah, I know. But you know what? I will take you out this okay.
What's that here?
Is she okay?
You don't set. Mama, come and see that shower wife you brought to my husband. Come and see it. It's not by wearing short skirts now.
You are carrying someone else's child. Yeah. No wonder. Your mother just gave you out without even waiting to see the person that wants to marry you.
Expired commodity.
Okay, Chukwu. Mama. It's true that I need children, but not anyhow. I want my son's blood. If you know what is good for you, just get inside the house, pack your things, and leave my house.
Mama,
this is not our initial plan.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. Yes, I'm not going anywhere. I am legally married to this family. And I live here, I die here. I am not going anywhere. I don't know why you're talking to me like this, Mama. Why are you talking to me like this?
Aselcha. Asibal White. Go to your mother's house and give birth to this bastard. Ah! You're not going to give birth to that baby in this house. No.
Mama, you mean I should go with your grandchild?
Go.
I'm not going anywhere, Mama. Mama, Kingsley got me pregnant. This is him. Ask him.
You lied. You're a liar from the pit of hell.
Hey.
Yes. I know your type. I know your type. Do you think it's by wearing skimpy clothes? Now, shaking bum bum. No. After shaking the bum bum, what next? You shake your bum bum to seduce him. I take him inside. I knock him. You shake your bum bum to seduce him. I take him inside. I knock him. What happened? Go with your pregnancy. Go with your expired commodity. Akuna. Don't involve my husband and I in this your issue. Go with your expired commodity. Osiso, napu apu kaina afu zeba. One leg, osiso napu apu.
Wait. Are you sure that my son is responsible?
Mama, have I ever lied to you?
You want to know?
Have I ever lied to you before?
Kingsley, Chajakwa. Did you hear her?
Kingsley said something. You got me pregnant. Remember that day you were banking.
Shut up! Don't talk to my husband like that.
Did you or did you not do it?
I I did not.
Did you hear it? Did you hear him, Mama? My husband cannot hear this dirty apple, that thing now. My husband cannot hear this thing. Did you hear it?
Mama,
leave him alone, though.
Mama, he said he did. He did not.
Will you shut up? I said I did not.
Come on, get out of this compound. Akuna.
I'm not going anywhere.
Why do you keep saying that it is my son? But you heard him say he is not the one.
Mama,
not my husband.
Mama, he just said I did. I did not. Mama, the first one I did.
Kingsley, you are the one. Are you not?
He's not the one. This girl should take the bastard from where she got it from.
I am not going anywhere.
He crossed her.
I am not going anywhere.
Go. Come on, I'll see, sir. You cannot enter inside this house. Take your unwanted pregnancy back to your father's house.
May I remind you that I am pregnant? I just vomited. I am pregnant.
Vomit book one way. I have to baraki.
My prince, I called you because I've not heard from you since you told me that you're going to give me the loan. Something is spoiled though. Something big is spoiled.
Let it spoil.
Let them spoil?
Yes, I said let it spoil.
My prince, people are going to die though. They go dead though.
Let everybody in this country die. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. You think I don't know you? You think I don't know what you're doing? You are sending my money to that your useless, good for nothing boyfriend. You think I will not find out? You think I don't know? You think I will not find out?
And then? Is that why you called my boyfriend a useless man? Don't dare to try it next time. I respected you because I asked you for loan. I respected you because you are the future prince of this land. I respected you. Please, a respect is a respect total. Do you hear me?
Dr. Maria or whatever you call yourself. I am warning you for the last time.
Let me tell you, my prince, don't be angry. What I'm trying to tell you now is, my boyfriend, now you've noted the truth, since you've noted the truth, let me tell you everything. Let me just woo-ha everything, that you know how you help it. You see, my boyfriend is Unam. He is in Obodo Ibo, and he needed loan, 5 million. And I've sent him 1 million you gave it me before. Now his container is on the high sea. So he needed to brought them out. When he brought it out, then he will sold everything. When he sold everything, then he will give it to the interest for the loan. The interest time for the loan, 5 million. 5 million plus 5 million, about 10 million. You are in again. Okay?
Dr. Maria or whatever you call yourself, tell your useless boyfriend to send me back my 1 million. Else, you will see the other side of me. I don't want to come back here again. If I come back here again without seeing my 1 million naira, Dr. Maria, you not like what you will see.
Well, you told them that you dashed me now.
I am not dashing you again. Since the money is meant for your useless boyfriend, it's not for dash again. Return my money, else.
Wait, let me tell you something. Just try and understand me. Okay? I am not trying to play you while you're here. I did not tell you to dash me the 1 million.
There is nothing to understand. Return my 1 million naira. Else, Dr. Maria, you see the other side of me.
I have sent it already.
You will return it.
I cannot return it.
Definitely, you must return it.
I cannot return it. Did I tell you to dash me the 1 million? You told me you give it to me. It's a token. You told me it's a token. Now a token now is a returned back.
Alright, I've heard you. Dr. Maria or whatever you call yourself. Don't ever in your life dial my number again. I will not warn you again. Return my 1 million naira. Else, you see the other side of me. Idiot.
Is he here? My prince! Am I dream? He told me, the prince, is he here? Or he left? He left. Hey, Izume Bumo. Izume Bumo. Where am I going to get that 4 million to balance Izum? He told me that his goose is in a high sea. And if I don't protect the money now, he goes see some.
Hey! Hey, my daughter.
Mama.
Are you sure that it is my son that did this thing?
Yes, Mama. I am very, very sure. Yes, he has been sleeping with me ever since I came into this house.
Hey!
He begged me not to let anyone find out about it, not even his wife. So I decided to keep it to myself, Mama.
You shouldn't have kept it from me. Yeah? This is not the kind of thing to keep to yourself.
Mama, thank you so much.
We are in this together.
Mama, thank you so much.
I'm sorry behind you.
Thank you. I won't do it again.
Okay, my dear. Thank you so much.
I'm
going to be a grandmother.
Yes, Mama. Twins.
God bless you.
Thank you so much, Mama.
You really tried for me.
I don't
God
thank you
bless
now.
you.
Let's thank God.
Hey.
Baby, please, you have to trust me. I have nothing to do with that pregnancy. Please, you have to believe me. You have to believe me. See, I swear with my Odu. I swear with everything I believe on this earth. I don't know anything about that pregnancy because you have to trust me, my lovely wife, please.
I know.
Huh?
Yes.
You know?
I know you can do it.
For real? Like?
You can't even be able to cheat on me, even if you want to.
Like you believe everything I said? You trust me?
Of course, because I know who I am. Yes, I trust you.
Like, on a serious note, you trust me that I can do such a thing?
See, listen, let me tell you. No woman will be able to take you from me. Yes, you will mine. Mine forever. So don't bother yourself, because I trust myself.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, my lovely wife.
No, come here.
Huh?
You know it's been long I gave you that doggy's time.
Yeah.
So come and make love to me.
You mean I should come?
Come.
For real? Huh?
For real. Just come. Just come here.
Oh. Okay, you know I'm not the father of your child, so stop putting it on me.
Are you mad? Look, let me tell you. You better man up to your responsibilities and accept this pregnancy, because it's yours.
See, Oge, I love and cherish my wife. Please, I do not want any problem between the both of us, please.
And if she loves you like you do, then she should be happy about this pregnancy. This baby I'm carrying in my womb is going to bring joy and happiness into this house. She should be happy that her husband's lineage is not going to close off. So what are you saying?
Oge, please. It's like you don't understand me. I love my wife. Eh? Please, just leave. Just leave us alone now, eh? Or terminate the pregnancy.
Are you mad? I should do what? Is something wrong with your thinking faculty? Please, I now see you don't have something to say. You don't have anything reasonable to tell me now.
Okay, please. You know what? Okay. Name your price. Just name it. I'm ready to give you anything you want. 2 times of the money. Anything.
Can you hear yourself talk? No. Hear yourself talk. You're going to give me 2 times of the money. 2 times of what money? Which money are you talking about? I now see that you don't have sense. You're insane. Excuse me.
I have sense, Ogi. I have sense. Ife.
I get the wine. Think you're smart. Whatever you think you know, I'm always ahead of you. Whatever you think you know, blessing is always 1 million miles away from you. You think you're smart if you go near no. You've seen what your shower wife
has done to you now. All disgrace go ginu. Obogo gi kenu no. Obolano gi kenu. No.
Nkitala.
You are one kick.
So say ben no ki ken adigi. It is only where I am that he have anything. Senseless idiot. Where were your senses when you were busy having unprotected sex? Eh? You could have saved yourself this embarrassment by using protection. Yes.
Eh?
Anumpam.
I'm used to your insults now. I'm used to it. What have you not said? The next thing, wombless, womb destruction, childless. What have you not called me? What have you not called me? You so much trust in your quack psychophant doctor. Why don't you bring your useless daughter-in-law? Let us go to her and confirm if this bastard in her stomach truly belongs to my husband. Let's go to her now. If we go to her, it didn't work. We'll go to another hospital.
You are talking about Amasiama 1.
You are a psychopath.
The only God sent in this village.
You are a mad woman.
Never you joke with that Maria. Never you play with Dr. Maria. In that case, since you that said that Maria is fake, now accept that we go.
Let's go.
Let us go.
Let's go.
Let's go to Maria.
Let's go. He gave boy me na wenata. Disgrace gabun kegi.
Let's
go.
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Why would I even bet you?
Man,
you're already close to your grave.
Man, go easy.
You're already close to your
Let's
grave.
go to Maria. We are going to Maria. Nonsense. Dr. Maria, he got her pregnant and he is denying it.
Bia? Oga? Is she telling the truth?
Dr. Maria, I have nothing to do with that pregnancy. I have not. Are you mad? Eh? Are you okay?
Somebody not trying to buy prostitutes everywhere.
Enya, look at me into the eyes. Ne mama and told me the truth.
Dr. Maria, if you look into my eyes now, you will see that I'm saying the truth.
Yes. My husband is innocent.
I'm innocent. I'm very, very sure.
My name is Dr. Maria Amasiama 1. I see it in the black and in the white. You're here told me that she's a lie. But I'm a Bokwa geek. If she's talking the truth now, I will see it. Because I see it everything. Now, Yuku, I go run on the test. I go run them for the test. But everything has added money. We are talking money here now. The test is expensive. All galalon. I don't know if I told you now if you can be able to brother the money. Can you? Okay. The name of the test run right here. The name of the test is DDA. Yes.
Which one is DDA test?
You mean DNA test?
DNA test and DDD test. Oh. I know the test I am telling him about. So I don't know if you can capable. Can you capable?
How much is the new price?
It's very, very expensive. I don't know if you can affordable it.
It is understandable. Tell us the price.
My DDA money is 500,000.
As in 500,000.
Hey!
My DDA money is 500,000 and nothing but last.
Okay, don't worry. I am ready. I am ready to sell all my husband's land.
You lied!
I am ready to do anything.
You lied! You will not touch my husband's property because of one prostitute who knows where she got pregnant from. You will not touch even Pekam. Mua. Go and look for where we borrowed 500,000 naira.
Dr. Maria.
Let me see you sell it now.
I am solidly behind you.
You will not touch any of that land. You can maybe get with
Enough of nonsense argument here.
You can maybe get with any.
Are you paying the money or you're not paying it?
I I am 100% ready. I will do anything possible.
It's alright. Case over. Okay, before I condescend treatment, you have to drop the money.
Doctor, I'm going. It's not now. Just do the test. I will bring the money.
I should run the test.
Just go ahead.
Ejime!
Hey!
Ejime!
I know.
Take it here. Ha! Into the labor room.
Bang, 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 bang.
Stand up!
I hope you are sure.
Go this side. Go this side.
Please shut up!
Shut up!
Are you mad?
I will beat you black and blue here now.
When you are doing it.
Hey! Prostitutes everywhere.
Let's go.
Nonsense.
Rubbish.
Don't know where you are.
Ejime!
Hey!
Toaded had to rip her pants, to come out her pants.
I should remove her pants.
Are you stupid? I said Toaded had to rip her pants. You are asking me if you come out her pants. Are you the owner of the pants? I said Toaded had to remove her pants. Are you the owner of the pants?
Draco, the man removed the pants.
I said Toaded had to remove her pants.
It's the pants.
What is wrong with you with her pants? What concerns you with her pants?
Nothing.
Hey, excuse me. I don't want the person to make noise here. Some people are in labor room now. I'm bonnet speaking there. Please. Enough is not enough. Please.
This one you're so interested in your pants.
Huh? Honey, I know you trust me that I can't do such a thing,
Yes,
right?
I trust you so much.
You trust me, right?
I trust my son. I know that my son is capable.
After her, you came in.
Oh, me?
Turn by turn.
This one you're so interested in her pants.
The tested is out. Oga, you are responsible for it.
Mama, I told you.
You lie.
Ag.
Ashake
Shake me.
Ashake I knew it. I knew you will come up with your cock and bull story to get back at me. You see this man here? See this man? He cannot cheat on me. He won't even dream cheating on me.
Yeah.
So forget it. He is not responsible to this thing there. You're just lying.
Okay, let me told you. Let me told you now. You can tire a man's heart, but you cannot tire his even there. Men are like dog. Never. They always cheated on you, and that is what it is. You take it or you leave it.
Lies upon lies upon lies. That is what you specialize in this village. Causing confusion in every home. All in the name of a quack doctor. Honey, you're not saying anything. Kingsley! You're not saying anything, Abby?
Thank you very much, my daughter.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mama.
Chita, Pam, Abaye, I suppose.
Okay.
Baby.
Leave that man, woman.
Brought the medicine.
Hey.
That one that look like crazy. But no, it's not crazy. It's a medicine. Make sure that your son drank it. What did I talk?
Make sure he drank it.
Drank it anytime, any day you want. But make sure he took it today.
Today.
You get why?
I said what? Make sure he drank it. I get why.
Went away.
Emergency.
Yango. Qualified dokum. Potom ko anyi. Dr. Maria. Amasiama one. Nobody can.
Enough. Do your work.
Eh?
So do your work.
Eh?
I said do your work.
Baby, please. Please, I'm sorry now. Forgive me.
Kingsley, just leave me.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. Baby, forgive me. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby.
Just leave me. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry, baby. Please forgive me.
What are you begging me for?
I'm sorry.
What do you want me to forgive you for?
I'm sorry, baby. Please forgive me.
You want me to forgive you? Listen, it's over between us. Don't come close to me. Are you trying to tell me that you're the father of this bastard in there? Or that you're not the one that got her pregnant? I don't even understand why you are begging me. You're not saying anything. You just remain mute. What are you begging me for? What do you want me to forgive
Baby,
you for?
I'm sorry. I'm just confused. I'm sorry.
Don't touch me. Don't.
Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Don't touch me. Don't come close.
Baby, please.
Don't come close.
Baby, please. Baby, please.
That matter against me, she will soon dry up.
Baby, please. Baby, please.
Let her be.
Baby,
She will dry up. Oh, come back here.
Baby.
Mama.
Oh, thank you so much. Hey, thank you.
Mama.
My dear,
Mama.
I'm so sorry for the way I treated you.
Mama.
I hope you are forgiving me.
Mama, I have forgiven you.
You know how
It's all in the past now. Don't mind her. Eh? She wants to come and fight Grace. Let me tell you, where there is grace, no demon, no Satan can fight Grace. Don't mind her.
She will soon leave my house.
Baby, come back, oh.
Oh my God, I'm the shooter.
Come back. I'm pregnant for you and it's a boy child.
Come. Don't stress my baby now.
No, Mama.
Stop shouting. Don't want it. Come. Let me go and find something for you to eat. Come. Why are you crying? Is it because of your wife? I know you love her. It's okay. Calm down. Drink this. Just drink it. It's okay. My son, what is it? Yeah? What? Talk to me now. What happened? Yeah? Talk to me.
What are you still doing in this compound?
Baby.
Where's your baby? I asked you to pack your load and leave this compound and you're still here. Are you mad? You're not poor like your baby. Are you stupid?
Baby, are you okay?
Are you mad? Mama! What's she still doing here?
I don't
Get back and make a cup of that.
What are you still doing here?
Baby, are you mad? Baby, come on, get this side up. Baby, come on, get inside. Get!
John! That's super!
Get inside! Get inside, you devil!
Mama! Dr. Maria Super! Hey! I told you. Mama! Oh, Bugo! Dr. Maria. Wonderful doctor. Mama. Dr. Maria. The only doctor in town.
Mama, take off.
Hey!
Come outside. I'm carrying your boy, oh, your boy child. Bye-bye, oh.
Come on. Please forgive me. Are you mad?
My husband, please.
Take. Mama.
Come on, go. Come on.
I'll stop you. I will.
Please.
Be a blessing. Blessing, you're not a blessing. You're a devil. You're a bad luck to me. Get out from here.
Please, my husband. I cannot.
Baby, it's okay.
He said you
Come
should
on,
go.
Mama, it's okay. Oh, yeah, go. Leave my house.
Please.
Go. Mama, it's okay. Go.
Mama, please.
Mama, please.
My husband, please.
Are you mad? Are you mad? I will kill somebody.
Baby,
Oh, leave them now. This guy's a bad luck to me. She's a bad luck. No, I'll kill somebody.
Baby, come back now. Come and see your baby now. No. Mama, I'm tired.
Oh my Lord.
Baby, come.
That girl has luck. Oh my Lord. What was the luck? That girl's being bad luck to me.
At last! Yes!
Baby, you love me.
No, ma. Adadorama. Adaije mono. Adando bodaije menganga na anyisi. Nnem. We just came to appreciate. To say thank you for everything you've done for our family. Hey, Nimeka. We just say we are here to thank you. This chicken is for you. Thank you so much. Ipokitie!
Ni wanda.
Ipokitie!
Ni wanda.
Ejime!
Hey!
Ejime!
Enya.
Obel.
I tell you.
Obel. Your Highness, no. You're welcome to our clinic. Thank you for Petronomos. Thank you for Petronokinos.
Dr. Maria, in addition to that, I want to say thank you for everything you did for my family and I.
Thank you.
You just saved my family lineage from closing. Dr. Maria, I'm so sorry for everything I did to you. Please forgive me.
I told Daddy before, and I am tolding you right now again. Your highlights, no. You're welcome. You hear? I am happiness that you are at your right senses.
Your senses is a back.
Is a back. Your senses is a back. The medicine, the organ, the girl is using to caginated you is removed. You're welcome. I am happiness. None. I'm Dr. Maria. Amasiama.
Wow.
I treated all kinds of sicknesses.
I hereby declare you the best Dr. Maria Amasiama, one of Umuaka village.
Sisi Kobaka, Sisi Kobaka.
In a time like this now, we became happiness, isn't that? In a time like this, we become happiness, isn't that?
Yeah, they cannot come and make us unhappiness.
So let me tolerate you now, and let me prophesy in your family.
In your cobwebs.
In your cobwebs. So let me prophesy in now. In your cobwebs, go into the world and get it and multiplied.
Yes, sir.
And conquer. Go into the world and conquer.
This is funny. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Excess multiplication. Yes, sir.
Keep on coming. They come.
Hey. Our own Dr. Maria. Hey! Whoa!
Oh, yeah, man. Mama, now,
You can go.
Number one dog. Number one. Qualified one like that. Come on, make way for that doctor. Say so. Make way for her doctor. Say so. Yeah, I'm going to go now. One stupid person going now. I'm going to believe. What kind of sickness? Come on, come on, say so. Now, wow, qualified doctor like that. No, say Lisa. That money there. He there. I tell you, bye. What a
Emergency!
Oh, come on. I want to secure the bag. I did here. I just want to secure the bag. Oh, just secure. But now we make it to the medicine, Mama. Any so. Nah. I get over any move. Elisa. No, say me. Biko kwa. Chuku dube kwa ni biko kwa.
Well done. He's not feeling fine.
I know, I don't see about it.
Where is doctor?
Huh?
Where is doctor?
Let me go.
Yay!
Colatu!
Come back, son of man. Yeah, bro, it's not me do get to na sickness. Put you. Yay.
Original Dr. Maria. Amasiama. Wonderful Maka. Original Doctor. Yeah.
Welcome.
Sorry, huh? Okay.
Brotted he up.
Okay, brotted he up.
Brotted he up.
Stand up.
Brotted he up. Sat that down. Sat that down.
Okay. Thank you. Easy, yeah? Easy.
Thank you. Doctor, thank you.
Why is he narcotic like this?
Doctor.
What brought he here?
Someone directed us here. I say, Nina go no anyone go no area. So we brought him here so that you check him. He's not feeling fine.
You're highly enough.
Thank you.
You came at the right places. Ipokite! Ipokite! Ejime! Ejime! We have a worker. A worker is here. You're highly enough.
Thank you.
My name is Dr. Maria Amasiyama. One. I treated all kinds of sicknesses. I am the CEO of Amasiyama Clinic. You are at the right place.
Thank you.
You are highly enough.
Thank you.
So, told me, what is not the sickness? What is not the sickness?
Doctor, that's why we brought him here, so that you use your computer and check.
It's all right. I know it, but I just wanted to know. But before give it medicine, I check it to know what the kind of sickness you brought here. You are highly known. You are at the right place.
Thank you, darling.
Ejime!
Emergency.
Tuki ha. Tuki he. That the emergency. No. I have worker. Are you the worker? They do their work. You brought them here.
Going now.
Easy, Take it easy on him, Why on?
Stand up.
Why?
Shame him.
Because you know your take it easy.
Do you hear?
Easy,
Allow them to do their work. Is it your work? You hear? You brought him here for me to check it. So let them to get him in. Ogonodo. Ejime!
Hey!
Come and to get the first aid bros. Get him Ogodoko. Give it him the wrapper so that he will ma. When he ma, then you brought a razor blade. Let me shave it his even there. You know, I will shave it here. If I shave it here, I will check it if it's from here or here or here. Is it your work? I'm the one that do the work. The mother ebosi. You know all these boys now. No way they wanted pium. If he can be poisonous, they give it him or any sickness. It's alright. You are at the right place. I cured all kinds of sicknesses. I am coming back. Excuse me. I'm coming. I am coming back. My money, ego. Ego tumpa. I ego. Scatter it. What are you for the head boss? Scatter it. Water it up.
What is it? What is it?
Doctor, please help us.
Go.
We don't
Go.
Sorry, easy.
Help us now. Help us.
Doctor, please now, please, doctor. Come and sit down.
Go.
Please, doctor, help us.
Doctor, you cure every sickness now. Help us.
Let's go to another hospital. Don't mind them. Let's go to another hospital.
Manner of sickness.
Yes.
I can't go Noria, doctor. I can't go Noria. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go to another hospital. Let's go to another hospital. Don't mind them. Let's go to another hospital. Sorry.
Dr. Maria, you cure every sickness. Can't you cure this one?
Let's go to another hospital.
Goodbye. Go English hospital.
Dr. Maria.
Sorry. Let's go to another hospital.
English hospital. Sanitizer.
Why don't we leave this place, Auntie? Let's leave this place.
Chuma, I'm not living here. Auntie, we are not going anywhere until she attends to us. Not living here. Auntie, look, I'm dying. Please. I'm not living here. I believe she can cure me. I believe she has the solution to my sickness. Please. This virus, I believe she can do something about it. I'm not living here. I'm not.
See, it's because of the kind of sickness HIV. She's afraid so that she don't get contaminated. Oh, yeah, but this kind of sickness.
Auntie.
No.
Auntie, I'm not the first person that have this virus. And I won't be the last person. All I'm trying to say in essence is, please, you're a woman. And she's a woman. I beg of you, just walk up to her. Talk to her woman to woman. Auntie, please. I believe she will understand. Do you guys want me to die? I beg of you, Auntie. Because, no. Because I don't...
Sorry.
Sorry.
I don't mind to pay any amount. 10 million, 20 million. What am I doing with all this money without life? Because, no, please.
Let's give it a try. Let me go and try now if she will listen to me.
Yes,
You were talking about try here. Can't you see from all the education that she can't do anything? Let's leave this place.
Get him water. Check if you see water. Sorry. What?
Auntie, go and talk to her.
Let me talk to her.
Go, please, go.
Hey. That woman, will she answer me?
Somebody that you've seen yourself that she can't do anything.
I don't like your video. If you're my shoes, I will be there begging on behalf. Why are you acting this way? Do you want me to die?
Sorry.
If you want me to be well, you go and beg. Don't tell me sorry.
Please help me. Please help me. Please. Where is doctor? Please, I'm begging.
I beg you.
She's this side.
Thank you. I should walk inside.
Go inside.
Thank you. Oh.
Now say listen. Where you going to show her where? We are not sitting. Where you going to show her?
You know if she carries the CVI, where you go give us?
The waiting.
The PVI, PIV.
You know say we get laws, regulations. If he make cost, with Izu, make we no send person come there, come disturb him. Are you sure?
You know say Dr. Maria get proof bullet. That includes the proof bullet. So coronavirus, HPIV. No, go ahead.
And you know the applications, eh? You know the applications.
Which application?
Hey, akara makuya, ntiri makuya, oko makuya, helila kuya.
Neko shame. We have a cricket.
In
So
fact,
HIV baggy.
one day, I know they near this place. I die here.
Izuma. Izuma, I have told you before, and I am tolding you again. Give it me time to brought the money. I promises you that I am going to brought the money, but times are not easy here. People are not brought in money in the clinic. I've given to everything that I have it. Izumu because I know your container is in the high sea. I know your container is in the high sea. I know. Just give it me time. You said that it's 5 million naira. I've given you some money. 5 million naira is too much. I've given you some. I will protect the money for you. Please, I am telling you, I don't have the money. You're talking about million here. Please, I beg you, Zoom. Okay, stop crying. I'll go get them. The money, I'll go get them.
Doctor. Doctor, wait now. Calm down. Doctor, take it easy, eh? Just mention any amount. In fact, we can give you 10 million. 10 million!
Zoom. It's somebody that came out here. He brought it HIV and told me to cure him, and he said that he will pay me. I told him I heard her say 10 million. 10 million naira.
What are you saying? Collect it from them.
No. Do I cure that HIV? Do I cure that HIV?
Please.
I don't cure that HIV.
Please, we are going to give you. We will give you more than that.
I'm answering call. Somebody's called me here. Hey.
Huh? The money. This is 10,000 naira we are talking about.
Do you told me to took the money from them?
Yes, this is 10 million.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What if I did not cure the sickness? You know HIV is uncurable. Even God does not cure HIV. HIV is forever, and the person will die, and the sickness is forever. And you know that.
Maria, it's those concussion. Is it? We need to them.
Then I should take the money from them.
No, because you are not. Because
No, come close to me.
Please, we are begging you. My head.
Izu, I'll call you back. I don't know. Okay. I'll call you back.
No, doctor.
Stay there.
Honestly, we are going to pay you. Just mention it.
You told me. You told me that you paid 10 million naira.
And above 10 million, we are going to give you in as much as you commence treatment on him. Because let him not die. No.
Wanted away. I am coming.
I should go.
Wanted away. I am coming.
Okay.
I said wanted.
Okay. I am waiting.
I said wanted.
Okay.
Izu? Hello? Izu? Huh? You sure? You sure? You told me to take HIV. It's forever sickness, and you know that.
You know what I'm passing through here. I need 5 million naira here. And the woman is saying 10 million. Collect that 10 million naira. Then send 5 million naira to me. What the remaining 5 million naira?
Zoom, what are dangerous? Zoom, I am telling you right now it's dangerous. It's alright. Let me take care of what to do. I'll call you back. I love you. You love me? Hey, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss again. I love you, yeah?
Original Dr. Maria. Wonderful Maka, original doctor.
Dr. Maria, thank you for accepting to treat me.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Amen.
Okay, God bless you. I don't mind to pay any amount.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I pay 5 million, 10 million.
Sorry.
Money is not the problem. I'll pay.
Stop. I have told you that I have treated you. I treated all kinds of sicknesses. You don't have a problem. You hear? No, we told you.
Explain to him.
We told you that we cure HIV. We cure it. We told you that we treated it, right?
We go treat. We go maltreat you in short.
Please let me.
We will maltreat you.
The only problem here now is the money. The money. You say you pay 10 million. Brought the money here. Oh, by this time tomorrow. No. Tomorrow came. I will give you to the medicine. You hear?
Sorry.
Thank you.
You can wait away, please. Took your brother out. We told him to come back tomorrow. Okay. We'll give you to medicine tomorrow. By this time tomorrow. Shut up.
Go.
By this time tomorrow we'll take it.
Thank you.
Come and took the medicine. But make sure you brought the money first. Brought the money, complete money. I don't treat it with that money. 10 million, you told me like that. 10 million. Remember, 10 million. Went away.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you. God bless you, Sister Maria.
Thank you. We will maltreat you. Treat you. Madrid. We will treat you. Maltreat you. Hey.
Gan do for me.
Yes. Hey. Tu peux ficar bien. Plus femme.
Hey! Go back to your duties.
Do.
Go there.
Which way?
Go there.
Lie to lie.
Oh, God, sit.
Lie together. Lie.
Judgment. Why is this medicine leaked?
Nobody.
Nobody. And it's a leak like this.
It's leaking from its leakage.
Nobody breaked it and it's leaked like this.
Nobody.
Like this. Is this something what is leaking? It's leaking. How is leaking? It's alright. Kept on wasted my money for this clinic. Kept on. All you needed is salary. You worked, I paid you salary. Kept on wasted my money. Kept on wasted my money.
Maria, is it true?
Is it true, Nagidi Mekwara?
That you accepted to treat a HIV patient?
A henna?
Hey! Maria, and I also heard that the money involved is huge. Maria, so you are risking your life to raise money to send to that Akalogoli, Ebelima, Onyoshi, good for nothing fool.
First for all, Izumu is not a thief, a fool, or anything. Second for all, life is a taken risk. You took a risk before you survived in life. Third for all, Dr. Maria is a doctor. Amasiyama one. Doctors are mandated to take a risk. Dr. Maria here, I am one of them. And doctors are mandated to heal all kinds of sicknesses. HIV is a small sick. It's a small sickness. A small sickness. So that is what it is.
Maria, why is that when it comes to Izuna you are senseless? You are thoughtless. In fact, everything less. Maria, you are a smart girl. Check yourself now. You're very smart. You have refused to see through Izuna. Maria, that boy doesn't like you. He doesn't love you. He doesn't even care about you. Maria, wake up.
You know why you are spoken all these things and it's not making me anger? It's not making me anger because you don't know what you are spoken. At all. You don't know dead what you are spoken. Because you have not witnessed the true lover. Because you have not witnessed the true lover. Yes, Uzumi is madly in love with me and I'm madly in love with him. I don't blame you because when you are small, your mama, your papa give it you out because you don't know what love are. Yes, they give it you out when you are small. So they pushed you out to a man to go and marry. That is why you are sounded like this. So I don't blame you. I do not blame you at all.
Maria.
I know that you're spoken out of lack of knowledge.
Maria.
Yes.
Maria.
Yes.
So, Ijeri Jinede.
Yes.
And talk to me like that.
Yes, you do not know that what is true love.
Me?
Yes.
Maria, Mo.
You are pushed for a man to marriage. Yes. You are pushed for a man to marriage. Just you went there and saw like this. You don't know what that is true love. True love does not share. It does not share.
Maria, Mo.
Yes.
You're talking to me like that.
If you're tired of hearing what I told you, then went away. Leave at my house. Pack your load and went away. Please, I am tired of seeing you in my compound, in my clinic. Please, pack your load and went away. That boy insulted you.
You're talking to me like that.
Auntie Rita, you need the food today.
Are you mad? Are you talking to me like that? See, if you talk to me again, you will say twinkle little star. Need a new boogie there. Stupid boy.
Mrs. Obrugodo Bremo Fegusi, oh?
The money is here. Are you sure that the money is complete?
It's complete. Very, very complete.
You sure?
Yes.
The 10 million. You know, you told me that you came back with 10 million.
The money is complete. I personally instructed my account officer to, package it. Here is 5 million naira. No. Doctor, calm down. Are you sure you will cure me of this virus?
5 million? No. But you told me you give me 10 million.
Yes. As soon as you keep to your own part of the deal, I will give you the completion. The remaining 5 million naira. I am a man of integrity and honor. The money is not an issue.
Why are you doubting me? Why are you doubting me? Do you know who you're spoken to? My name is Dr. Maria Amasiyama. One, the CEO of Amasiyama Clinic. Everybody in my community here trusted me. They believed in me so much and trusted. Let me tell you something. There is never a sickness Maria have never treated before. I treated it. God showed me sickness is cure. A dream. When I slept like this, God told me, Maria, ATM, Maria, ATM, Maria, ATM, went inside the bush, here or here is a cure. And I took it and I cured it. Do you hear? So you do not have a problem. You can meet at the right places.
So, I'm bros here. For Chineke. They use dog. They do wonders and senses.
I do.
They understand?
I do.
So, your own case no go be different. Unless say carry out, but I believe say you know carry out. So now.
We dey cure the kind of sickness. We dey cure the one where they call BBGGG.
ACC.
We cure.
AVVVV. DIII. We cured it. So.
Even our
we cured it.
Okay. No, keep it there. It's our money. Yeah, we will took it. You can went away.
It's our work.
Like I said. Okay, doctor. So what time should we call for?
Please, you came in the morning for the collection of the medicine. Came in the morning.
Remember the other 5 million? Oh,
the other 5. Is in your money. He told me that he will bottle it.
I want remembrance for him.
But when you lie dead, God will not cure you. So when you spoke, he told me the truth. God will cure you. You hear?
You don't have to worry. I keep to my word. Okay, money is not a problem.
By then, I'll go there. Let me bring the...
Do you know that the HIV is there? Do you know that the HIV is there? You wanted to grab it, money, 5 million. You run it. No, don't push it like that. Don't push it. Come, don't push it like that. Hello? Izumu? Yes, I am prepared. Yes, I am prepared. I am ready to enter to the bank and they position the money. Yes, it's 5 million. Yes, 5 million. No, now I added your account number now. Sure, I put the 1 million before. Yes, okay. Okay. When I get to the bank, I put it and I'll call you on phone. You hear? No problem. I'll call you. No, it's 5 million. I told you it's 5 million they pay dead. So I'm went to the bank now to deposition the money. Okay, I love you too. Okay. Okay, I'll call you later. I love you too. Ibokite. Ejime. I came in the back. When somebody came out here to check it on me, told the person that I wanted out, okay? And came back now.
But wait, so Dr. Maria won't give all that money to you? Everything to you?
Now this one we call Posimachaka Siroko Kaki. You know what? I paid that box. Any money for the engage you could do your water. Move take them hold. I told her to 9 was pass. And if you is not taking me this first aid.
Then
I hope I over 100. Now I'm getting this first aid. Up Caloya one pan, up Colo home bow. I'm gonna call you get a CB. Young my hustle, you go in the HIV. I will you go there one.
I want
You know, say anytime way to talk 3 times the verse. Just better. Better. Better.
Dr. Maria, I'm a Siama, wonderful Maka, original doctor. Dr. Maria, I'm a Siama, wonderful Maka, original doctor. Number 1 of Umaka. She's a big Rama. She's a big Elisha. She's a big Rama. Helele. She know they look good, so she know one know will be. She know they look good, so cause she know one know. What you they do? She go tell you anything what you see for your body. If you carry yama, she go tell you. Oh. She go tell you something. She go tell you something. Olelele, aha. Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful mother, original doctor. Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful mother, original.
Victor, you're welcome.
Get it in the backyard. Packet is there. Oh, packet, eh? Hey, pockety. Hey, pockety.
You know, say too much emergency come here.
Hey, people came in here.
And I treated them.
Hey! You did the guinea.
I give them injection.
Abobo juice.
Don't worry, I give them.
I hope you did not kill them.
No.
I hope you did not injure them. I Ozugo, it's okay. Ozugune, you better okay. Go and go and brought me cold water to drink.
Hey,
Okay, okay,
Doc, I need a catfish. Doc, I need catfish. Whoa.
HIV.
Doc, I want Doc, catfish.
Open that it. Kill we have a concussion. HIV.
Move that.
It's part of it. Turned it. Put lights. We will allow it to soar and keep it here, cheerful. Then you go there. If you there, then go drink it. HIV. Eh? Tested it. Go and tested it. I said tested it.
Go down. Collect them from down.
Close it.
Closed it. Let's leave it here. You go there.
Tomorrow.
When it's there, we can get back for it. Let's go. What is keeping them?
Doc, I beg.
No. You stood there. 3 steps backward. 3 steps backward. Doctor, seriously, coming close to you does not mean you get infected with this disease. And why are you treating us as if we have leprosy? Leprosy.
Set up.
You say?
Just allow them. Let them do what they are comfortable doing. Okay.
Sorry. Sorry.
Let them do what they do.
It's okay. Ejime.
Hey.
Went inside and brought their medicine. The akamo, milk, and borogu. Brought it here. Move it, fast. Hurry up! Drop it here. Don't want it close. Don't want it close.
Go forward.
Let me tell you how to cook it. When you get dead home, you see this one is enough ingredient. This one that looketh like milk and that calm ingredient. It is enough ingredient in inside. And this one now, took it up. Took it. Took the other one too. Yes, this one you drank it as you drank water. Okay. Don't miss it morning and night. Drank it like you drank water. That is for what it is for HIV. Then this one, Nigerian So when you get dead home, this one that looked like Ivedia. When you get dead home, took hot. Took it one daily. You took it one daily. Short. So the other one, you drank it like you drank water. Your HIV cure is India. Your HIV cure is India. Do you heard what I told you? The last prescription. The last prescription. The last prescription is don't do. I'm told him something. Your chuket mouth. Don't do. When you do that, another person will go die. Do you hear what I told you?
Yes, thank you.
Stay.
Hey, no talk, I beg. No talk.
You can went away.
We don't hear. You no go do it. You say you shouldn't do like this.
He will
not do. Let's go.
Went away.
But I want to
Stood there. Maybe they got him. Stood there. Please went
talking and coming.
Please went away. Went away. Chineke yagwago.
Control this your cough,
I'm in short of this
I said wait.
Go, Kwano. Every time talk go and come back. Ana kwa.
This woman who defeat HIV.
Can I make a fanboy lady?
Is it me that give him the HIV?
You don't deceive yourself. You are just deceiving me and myself. I'm telling you. Go bend down small. If you bend down, you go see her. But if you bend down, you go learn this thing. That's why they waste time.
Come make I check you. Come make I.
Come on now. Are you sure I'm going to survive this?
Yes, you will survive it. Especially now that Dr. Maria is the one handling your treatment. She assured us, and with the way people are testifying about the wonders of our treatment, I believe she can cure you.
Okay. Let's be hopeful.
Yes. But at least, this will teach you a very big lesson. Not to flirt in your relationship. Dating 1 million girls there is not the best. Even if you want to flirt outside your relationship, at least use condom.
It's okay, Mercy. You sound like Deputy Jesus. Eh? How about you? Don't you have more than one boyfriend?
You're very funny. I won't lie to you. I have a boyfriend. In fact, I'm into a serious relationship. Not like you that flirts around. Please drink, oh, because I'll still add this one for you.
No. This one should wait now, one at a time. Eh?
What do you mean by that? Please drink, oh. It's for your own good. I'm shaking it already, oh. Finish this one, so I'll add this one for you.
Wait now, eh? One at a time. Eh? It's not easy. This is so bitter.
I don't understand. Is it not for your own good? I'm shaking it already, oh.
Take it gently.
Take, oh. Take. Take now. Oh.
Dr. Maria.
Drink, please. What's that one?
This one smells so much.
Smell what? Let me see. Boy, it smells so nice now. Drink.
Let me finish this one then.
Oh, you're finished now, then you still drink this one. Drink fast, though.
Aye.
Drink now. Drink. This one is almost finished. Drink, so as you finish this one too.
Gently now, it's not easy on me. Calm down. Eh?
Okay, don't worry. This is good. Drink this one too, okay? What's this one now? Just try and finish this one too. Drink now. You know I can help you and drink this one.
He's not wicked. Hello? Hello?
He will not pick. Stop calling him. He will not pick. He has gotten what he wants. Eh? I have told you. Auntie, I have told you. Respect is a respect to Coca. Respect is a respect to Coca. Respected yourself. Respect. Minded your business, and I minded my own business. Please. Izuna will not call.
He will pick.
Mama, you gone.
He will pick.
He will not
He will pick.
Wait a minute. I'll break your head. He will not pick your call. He will not pick your call. You only calls when he wants money, and that he has gotten. Eh? You are of no use to him again. I just hope that one day you come back to your senses. Obuloga, Pakonata Kwono, I know that idiot, Akalogoli, is only using you. Hey! You will not be! You will not...
Hello? Izu?
Sorry. Oh, brother. Please, I think we should go and see Dr. Maria. It's been 1 month since you took her medicine, and there is no sign of improvement at all. Please, let's just go and see her. I beg you.
Mercy. Mercy.
Yes.
You know, this is a very serious virus. This virus can actually lead to death. You don't expect it to pack and leave just within 1 month. Okay?
I know. And that's why I said we should go and see her. 1 month is enough for at least notice some sign of changes. But just look at you now. You're not getting any better. Please, let's go and see her.
I understand, Mercy. I understand, but I think with time everything will be fine. I am just being hopeful.
All I'm saying is, let's go and see her first. Maybe she'll run some tests on you to know if there's any improvement at all. Maybe internally, because physically I'm not seeing any changes at all. Please, my brother, let's go and see her first. Please.
This is not easy on me, but I understand. Please, I need water.
Okay, let me just get water.
Alright. I need water. Just hurry up. God, if I survive this, I'll never do my mind to my mind again. I'll never skin dive again.
Advantage na na day ready here. Oh Jesus.
Well done. Please, is Dr. Maria around?
It depends.
How? What is it depends? What?
I don't know.
Please go and call her for us. Just go and call her for us.
I'm still gonna know.
I'm begging. Please go and call her for us. It's beg now. I'll brought by force, okay?
Emergency! Emergency!
What bothered you here?
Doctor, the medicine you gave to us has finished. And besides, I don't think it's getting better.
You don't need to think it. You need to possess it. You need to possess it. Stop thinking. You don't think it, it's working. What are you thinking? Are you God that giveth a cure? Are you God that giveth cure? All you needed right now is be possessed. Trusted in God and everything will be okay. You don't need to think it. Don't think it.
I know, doctor. I know I should be positive, but it's not getting any better. And it's giving me concern.
My dear, it's getting better. Believe it in God and every cure will work out. Look at he. Look at he. He's getting better. Look, let me ask you something. When two countries are fighting together, does it come out the war immediately?
No.
No. It takes a gradual processing for the war to come it down. Now, this virus is a very strong virus. It is jamming together like a caterpillar. So the medicine is working on it. You understand me? So give it a time to process. Do you hear?
Auntie, this is what I was telling you.
What are you telling her? No. You see, you told her right now that this is the same thing that I was told you. What are you told her? When you were doing that thing, when you did it, did you told her that you did it? No, I'm asking you. When you did it and got HIV, did you told her that you did it? Oh. Now you got HIV and you told her this is what I told you.
No, I've been positive about this, and the medicine I've been taking has been effective. It's working. Look, I'm getting better. You see, I'll be fine.
That is not the spirit. Be possessed. Just be possessed, and God will heal it. My name is Dr. Maria Amasiyama 1, the CEO of Amasiyama Clinic. I treated all kinds of sickness. HIV is a common case. I can treat it. So just believe it in me and believe it in Chineke the God.
Okay, madam. Faith. Faith is very, very important.
Very, very important.
Very, very important.
You have to come and went away. Came back for medicine. I will give it to you another one.
So when faith.
We should go.
When faith.
You have it.
When faith.
Yeah. So stop thinking. I told you. Stop
not be first. Una not go be last.
Have it faith. HIV is not a easy disease. You paid me money to do it my work, so I will give it to my service. You hear? So that is what is what.
You should come tomorrow.
No, you came back for the medicine tomorrow, so that I will give it to the one that will wash it. When it wash it, it will not come down here. If it came down here, you piss them out like Mamere. Did you hear what I told you? So have it faith. Stop telling her, because when you did it, you did not told her that you did it.
Please. It's because of the gallon. We should bring the other gallon.
Which gallon? We dashed you that gallon. Gallon is how much? We bought another gallon and give it to her.
Faith.
Hey!
Faith, very, very important.
Please, what I'm told you do now is, you see here, sanitize here. Go and protect kerosene and fuel. Wash it. HIV is sitting down there. Because this is a dangerous volume. Don't forget to tell them it's okay to come and to get his medicine.
Just look at this. This is the last one. So just drink it up, please. Just look at. The results are still saying positive.
I don't understand. I think we should go back to Dr. Maria. Because he's not getting any better. If she can't cure him, why not she balance up the money? Because 5 million naira is not a change.
I think that's the best thing to do.
Yeah, let's calm down, guys. Okay. A lot of people are testifying about her medication, and from the look of things, they are they are all positive, and I believe my own will not be different. Okay, my hopes are high, so I want you both to be on the same lane with me. Everything will be fine, I believe. Okay.
You're still talking about hope. When you've consumed 5 gallons of this bitter concoction without any sign of improvement, and you're still talking about hope.
Daniel, this is 5 different results from 5 different hospitals. And you're still talking about having your hope high. It's better you will go back to her and she'll refund this money.
But that's the best thing to do.
I believe in God. Oh, meanwhile, before I take this last dosage, I have to eat something because I can't take this medication with an empty stomach. So, sister, Mercy, get me something to eat, please. At least fried egg. Yes, fried egg and bread.
Please, you eat, but we have to go to the hospital first. Maybe when we get there, we'll eat.
I think he's right. Just get him something to eat before we get to the hospital.
Please. Maybe when we get to the hospital, he will eat. Let's forget about the food for now.
Eat where?
The hospital now.
That place is very dirty. Oh. Please get him something to eat. It's better he eats here.
Let's go first. Even if he snacks, he will eat. His health is more important than the food.
All my body wants now is fried egg.
Dr. Maria, you see, let me tell you, my people are angry with you. My family member, my daughter, everybody is angry with you. In fact, they were coming with war. They were back coming to come and fight you. They should calm down. Let me come and sort this issue. You see, the drugs we have been giving to him, none of it is working. It is not working. Okay, we've run series of tests on him. Positive. In fact, hold it there. Check any. It is impossible. Hey, this is impossible. Dr. Maria Amasiyama 1. I treated all kinds of sicknesses. I am told you now that the hospital you went to in the city is a quack. Is a quack. You mean all these results now? They are not told you the truth. Wrong tested results. Yeah? Because anybody I treated at this village, go and ask. They testify. They told me that Dr. Maria Oguna Woncha. What is HIV? What is HIV? Okay. Because I tested your drugs initially, you can still run him and not run him again. Check. You can test him again and see. You mean I should touch him? So that now you try another test on him. Run on air test, no? Madam, I've told you before that what? Okay, look at your brother. Look at his inch. Everything is swelled up. Is this how he when he brought it here? He's not flesh. Look at it. Is it how your inti? Look at your inti. Your inti is swell. Your inti is swell. So if you say you had HIV, that is the hospital is a total lie. They told you lie. Okay, run another test. Let's not argue too much. So run another test now, and then you can know another drugs. Maybe that one you gave to him will stop on the way. Another one can push or such a position now. We can run on another one. Please, I should tested him and know what if the sickness is there. Maybe sort out along the line. By the time you give another one, push shift in it will now get well. Ejime! Ayato. I'll see the way also. Hey. Okay. You stood up. He sat at here. You stood up. Okay, you sat at here. Okay. Swing. Swang. Sit here. Just. Go. Go. Let's go. Hold it now. You see, testing the put you on again. Hold it. No, testing the thermometer. It's good and on ever. On a testing. How did it? Calm down, man. Oh, yourself. Get us to one again. I want to hear that. Wait. Calm down. Say, come on down. Oh, yeah, calm down. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No, you not touch me. Say, no, Febe, on take Kefa. Still at a place. Brought it up. Ask you, me pay. Oh, yeah, brought it up. Where you know? No, can't they say my case? I'm going here.
No.
Come on.
Leave it up.
Calm down. When you are busy, chucking your thing inside something. Was I there? I think it's a come on, the see where the problem is. You are behaving like a child. I'm tired. Calm down. When we're out of this place, I'll look for water for you. Hold this thing well. Hold it well. Let it read well. Oh, Gigi of ma. I'm tired, honestly. See, if we don't go again, it's still there. I wonder how you will say all this. I'll move it. Oh yeah. I mean the one that give it to you. I mean. So what do we do now? What do we do? When I was telling that all this thing is correct, you are like, you say, like, can I get me? It did. Put it in a miracle. Took it away. Took it away. Throw one. Don't put it in my clinic. You go and come back again. No, I go give it him another medicine. Another one that he go flush and well. Calm it down. He go go. Here, I will give it to you another medicine that flushes it away.
Original doctor, Dr. Maria. I'm a Siama. What a fool, my guy. Original doctor. Yeah, yeah. Original doctor.
Open that.
Original doctor. Amasiama, sabi wetin it dey do. Doctor Amasiama, #1 of Umaka. She's a big rama, she's a big illusion, she's a big rama. Helele.
I like it to war. Yeah, war of my HIV. Open that. Come. Open that. Come here.
This file is not the one.
Wait, I beg you. Come out. Leave me my hand. Give me one thing. No, leave this thing now. Okay, I go remove this one now.
Now, where is Dr. Maria?
She went away. She went to see her patients where she cared for cancer liver.
She went away. Okay, let me wait.
No. Your trust today here, no wait. Shift back.
That's the drug. So how do we take it now? Where is the prescription? How do we take it?
Use your head.
I should use my head.
Use your head. They go now. I don't give you drugs, madam. They go. If you like, as you open out like that, oh, not the same. Ah, wow. She don't work. You don't tell me the prescription.
Let's take it like that.
But tell her make it use her head.
Let her use it her head.
I'm a old man. I don't say I don't work. I don't work more than no say this. It's good. Near description. Now I'm going to put something to laugh for the bag.
So, this one is very strong. According to Dr. Maria, he said this one is the best. This one is Bagaba.
Make sure you feel the cup, eh? And just feel it very well.
Okay. Brother, take. Just drink, you'll be fine. Drink, no.
Just, you know that he needs to take 2 shots.
Yes, that's what Dr. Maria said.
Yes, I just.
I'll just drink.
What is it?
Brother, what is it?
I have never tested anything as bitter as this in my whole life.
So sorry, bro, eh? You know it's for your own good. Just drink up, eh? And make sure you add the second.
God.
Just finish this one.
I promise you. if you ever heal me of this virus, I will be faithful to one woman.
Amen.
For the rest of my life.
Amen. Amen. Just drink up, eh?
I'll just drink, you'll be fine, no?
Please. Chuma. I need sweet. Tom.
Just drink first, and take the second shot. You know, Dr. Maria says you need 2 shots.
Wow. It cannot go.
Try.
I didn't mean cut by try.
Well, drink now. Let me add another one for you, please.
What are you told me? No. What are you told me here? What are you told me? How is it not my business? How is it not my fault? I give it to your brother medicine. He drank it. He should calm it down now. He should calm it down. Allow the medicine to relax and know it if you work it or you don't work it. You paid that money for HIV. And I give it to medicine. Then you relax it. You relax it and give it him time to cure. That's how it heal. That's how it heal. Yes, that's how it heal. You give it time. How much? Okay, you paid that money, My dear, I have told you before, HIV is not malaria. It's not typhoid and malaria. Yes. I have a lot of work to do at the hand. I will call you back later, please. Or you call it back. Excuse me. Nonsense. Where is the money that I get paid here? Are you sure it's not completed? Are you sure it's completed? I put it for 1,000 naira. For 1,000 naira, no, have it, look. You have it, look.
Original Dr. Maria, Amasiama, wonderful Maka, original doctor.
Don't worry, they will know the stuff we are made of. Can you imagine? 5 million. And what are we go? What is
5 million?
5 million! What is it? Or 5,000? What 5,000? Bro.
See, I go advise make una go because Dr. Maria no go come anytime soon.
Okay. If she like, may she return by midnight. Let her come back in the midnight. We are not going anywhere. We will wait for her here. Are we going out? We wait for her.
She not going to even come back today. She don't
travel.
She don't travel.
Hey, we will sleep here.
We go sleep on you.
Here, we go sleep.
Madam, la.
Yes, sure. Yes, sure. We are going to sleep here.
I'm always going by first treatment, but this one. No, I need to go.
We are not going anywhere. You think 5 million is 5,000 naira? 5 million! 5 million!
Madu wonu na ogwa na return ego. And I want retirement.
Who died? Nobody has died. Now then you will have to return our money.
What of the medicines where we don't give you already?
Which medicine?
Got bushes everywhere. Nah, madam, we no la here. I mean, I know.
Yeah, we should get our money. Get our money.
By first treatment, but now I need to go.
Okay, see doctor.
No, can't you go?
I no treat again.
You know treat waiting. You don't treat before you say you know.
No be us take am inside. Go check the BIP.
To take inside and not to treat. Come on, leave now. You know, I bet sit down there. They say you know treat again. Sit down.
You say what you pass now? Bring the person will get.
Oh man, I confirm that you know no. Now me go take over. If we this clinic, now me go take over. You just say we are we go up and down. You don't know anything about them. I tell you, you got to get me from line. Man, for this boy, for this boy.
Now you go treat him. If you check the give now, he said that was we got Bogonko.
Guy, man, he take us there, man.
Hey, you deceived me. Why did you tell me that woman is he can cure every kind of this sickness?
What happened? I don't understand. What did she do?
That woman scammed us. She duped us. When you
No.
nothing.
There is a mix-up somewhere. Dr. Maria that I know, she cures everything. Leprosy, blindness, malaria, even HIV.
She cure everything my foot. You may go to one scam. Do you know how much she scammed us? That woman has nothing. Nothing. That woman is a big scam. Look at that scam.
So it's true. Do you know that this woman? You do know that woman scanned my brother 5 million. Yes, but you know, I thought there was a mix-up somewhere. But I said, okay, people should go and try your luck. Maybe it will work because she cures everything. No, but now I have confirmed it. But what happened? So you know, your nephew get money. You people should cover every penny back. In fact, you know that we have to. We sold my father's land to raise this 5 million. We don't have anybody to talk to us now. But you do not spare that woman.
Honestly, that woman will not spare her.
Arrest her.
If that woman, she's going to vomit that one. Oh yeah, we're going. I'm gonna ask her enemy.
Take her to jail. Listen. You say she scammed the 5 million. Not two.
More than self. We tell the transfer that
claim damages now. Claim damages. Take the 5 million. Claim damages. Do not spare the woman.
But it is your fault.
I'm sorry.
It is your fault. You didn't make a good inquiry. You just set us there and went and waste money.
I don't.
And gave it to that.
I don't know it's going to be like this. Because forgive me. Honestly, at least we don't have somebody.
If I hear her phone, if you see the kind of money we wasted there, I will not spare that woman.
My sister,
she will not go scot-free. If I get another woman to a man can over that. People will hear the news.
Don't spare her. God will use you to revenge for me. God will use you to... God will use people to revenge for us. Hey, deal with her. Don't spare her. Don't spare that mad woman. Yes. I will visit you, so I will remind you. Yes. That idiot. It's time for her to pay for everything she did to me. This is her payback time. I can now relax. Rubbish. I will come, Nonsense.
Doctor, be checking now. Be checking here. Be checking him.
Okay. Open the mouth. Open the mouth. Open the mouth.
Small.
Nah, calm down so that she will not say you don't give her the chance to check it very well. Relax. Where get it? Check it. Okay. Calm down. She will not give us excuse. Sorry, you'll be fine. It's still there. It's still there.
Madam, what is the update? I mean the result.
The result came down coughing. The result is now. The sickness is no longer there.
Allow you. See, we don't go different hospital. Then say the thing still there. We no get much talk with you again. What to come? What to need now our balance? No. Understand?
My brother. Wait. Let me tell you. You see, the money you gave it to me, I did not eat it anyone. I took it to buy that medicine for your brother.
Only 5 million.
The chemical. Did you know the kind of medicine I bought that for him?
See, we don't need much talk.
Bam.
Just see what you need to do now,
Yes.
You go lie down. Make my brother climb you. If he climb you 2 months will come back, say the HIV no day again. You are safe.
Testosterone! Why is that
Testosterone.
Testosterone.
Lie down. I know. You shout.
No.
Brother, relax. Relax. Brother, climb up. Climb up. Where they go? Climb up.
Doctor don't die. I don't even picture. We should die there.
Why?
You shouldn't even give us something there for 45 minutes. So carry and give us. Make she die.
And not true. Chop alone, die alone.
Make she die there. I don't even picture. See, me I don't go.
Eh.
I don't go. Me I know they.
But I'm go save him now.
My good people of Lagos, listen. It is time for a new Lagos, one that works for you, for me, and for all of us. Our Lagos. And believe me, it is possible. To connect Lagos as has never been connected before, with all our rail and water transportation system delivered in 4 years, with a goal to end the traffic problems in Lagos permanently. Vote Labour Party, vote LP. I'm Gbadebro's rival, and I'm Labour Party candidate for Governor of Lagos State.
Siama, wonderful Maka, original Dr. Maria. Amasiama, wonderful Maka, original Dr. Original Dr. Amasiama, sabi wetin it dey do. Dr. Amasiama, #1 of Umaka. She's a big Rama, she's a big illusion, she's a big Rama, helele. She know they look with your face, so she know one know will be. She know they look good, face, so cause she know one know what you they do. She gon' tell you anything what you see for your body. If you carry yama, she gon' tell you, oh. She gon' tell you something. She gon' tell you something. Original doctor.